Create your own warehouse management program for 756 items. This is how this program is created. Anyone can create this program. This program is contained in an Excel macro-enabled workbook. First, the Excel macro-enabled workbook is created. The description of this video contains a link to a video demonstrating the creation of an Excel macro-enabled workbook. "13 YouTube videos describe the process of creating this program. These 13 videos are compiled into a YouTube playlist. The link to this playlist is in the description of this video. To create this program, simply select, highlight, copy, and paste text or controls using your mouse. You don't need to type anything yourself. The code for formatting the pasted controls is in the description of this video. Simply select it, copy it, and paste it into the program using your mouse. Once the input mask is ready, the main program code is inserted. You will receive the main code as a Word file attached to the email. The program allows you to manage a warehouse with up to 756 items. The user enters item numbers, descriptions, and units in the Items worksheet. The program then calculates the stock levels and total values. The program maintains an account for each item. The program records 4 types of transactions: access, acquisition costs, credit, discount, and removal certificate. When recording an acquisition, the quantity and amount are specified. When recording acquisition costs, the quantity is entered as 0. When entering credits and discounts, only the amount is specified. A withdrawal certificate is generated for each withdrawal. All generated withdrawal certificate are available. You only need to enter the withdrawal certificate number. All entries are recorded in the journal under their own identification number. Individual or all entries can be deleted. The password is the number 3.